But here's the problem, is the lights of oncoming travel. They just don't give a shit. See, like this guy puts his highlights on before he's passing, and you get blinded. Or some just put their highlights on and keep on. But there was a fad, it seems to have stopped now, but there was a fad earlier in the year for buying these bright yellow auxiliary lights for motorbikes. And they're so bloody bright. Yeah, for sure, the guy who's got them on his bike can see it forever. But coming towards it, you just can't see a thing. See, now the hill is starting to become a real hill. Luckily I'm almost at the diversion. I should get a view across the fields. Very clear view, I think, of the sunrise. Got some lovely shots yesterday. The video, because I had the video on for all hours. I've got a 64 gigabyte card, and I now got a proper charger for my bike cams. I was out. I don't know, the film probably lasts 4 hours. And the last bit with Jezebel. Funny little Jezebel. I have no say sexual attraction to her. She's a funny little thing. Well, I like to keep her as a pet. It'd be like having a little pet monkey. Not that she is a monkey. She's just dancing around. She's so funny. I have a feeling she may be on Shabba or something. Shame, she's 24. She's studying at the University of Negros anyway. The island university, not a good university nonetheless. And 24, she goes a 4-year-old son. Same old story. See all the time. I'm looking to the right, but I'm actually not well placed to get the sunrise. Almost behind us. And this diversionary road doesn't go directly north. It's round a bit, but maybe we'll get there. Yeah, maybe we'll get there. It's another beautiful sunrise. It was lovely down on the promenade yesterday. Nice. It's not to have a view with power and internet lines streaming across it. A bit further because it's turning more and more. So a lot of trees. I never tire of these sunrises. It's beautiful. And sunset. I don't see the sunsets where we are now. Well, you don't see them anyway, this side of the mountains. So, behind the mountains. Actually, that's okay. It's sunrise just about now. Just getting a view of the road. Oh, there's a nice view. Turn the bike around. You can see that as well. Just standing in the mud. That's beautiful there. That is a beautiful shot. That must actually be where the sun is rising. What am I seeing through the cam? Should be seeing the same thing, but that's impressive. So the sun is there, coming out of the Bohol Sea, as I said. Lovely. Yeah. The flat earthers don't realise we're on a globe that's spinning at 17,000 miles per hour. They need to just come and watch the sunrise and explain how that happened. Yeah, versus reality. Runners out, cyclists out. If you want to get exercise here without killing yourself, in my case with the UV, it's a big problem for me, you come out this time of the morning and you get, it's cool, I mean relatively cool, it's probably 24 degrees, but it feels almost cold. On the motorbike, it feels really cold. Right. The streaks are red all the way around the sky. It's a real rainy season morning actually. My back light, anti-collision light, backed up. Oh, even better view here. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, there's a funfair here. I wonder what the things were. Yeah, a couple of them.